Here we are, on the edge of mystery. We long for a life of new discovery. Focus our eyes on the journey, stepping into the unknown, waving goodbye to our worry, and we're ready to go. We're not ever slowing down. We run, we're chasing down the dreams we found over the rivers and mountains.
To the love of my life, Kimberly Tampos. Me. The way we met was outside the box. Been rejected at first, but as I believe in the saying, love until it hurts, until the love does not hurt anymore. Kimi, thank you for your understanding and patience. For almost 8 years, been in worst and good times. Last 2015, kato na-assign pa ko sa Pahak, Lapu-Lapu City for seminar exposure. That was the time that I could say, you're the one.
The stories waiting to be told. The earth is bursting with color. Our hearts are open wide. The stars glow in wonder.
To the man who made an effort to pursue me more than 8 years ago, I reflect on the journey that brought us to this moment. Way back year 2014 to 2016, sa pila ka times di ka ignore, thank you for your patience and tireless efforts in courting me for almost 2 years. Then many things happened, but I will never forget what you said about those times. You almost lost hope. Kay lagi pa baby ko and napafeel ko na not interested ko nimo. But how wonderful God's plan is. Kay during those times, you were actually praying the eye na, Lord, kung mili man ako para kay Kim, ihatag siya sa muhigugma niya o tinatanay at maseryoso na nanak. And tadahat, your prayer has been answered. You are the one that God gave to me. Happy 8 years, my this year. And the rest is history, my love.
Kim, miani ba ikaw sa imong kabubuton or pagbukos kanunay sa imong kaugalingon diya sa pagigugma pag-alagad sa imong banaw?
Oo, Padre.
Ayan. Miani ba ikaw sa imong kabubuton or pagbukos kanunay sa imong kaugalingon diya sa pagigugma pag-alagad sa imong asawa? Oo, Padre.
Through all of the hard and the good times.
For the moment I met you, I know that my life would be never the same. You have filled my days with joy, my heart with love, and my soul with the sense of peace that I never knew I could find. Today, I stand before you. I make this vow with all my heart. I promise always be by your side to support you in your dreams and to grow with you as we navigate our journey of life together. I promise to laugh with you in times of joy and to comfort you in times of sorrow. I'll be your rock in the moments of uncertainty and your biggest cheerleader in the moment of triumph. I vow to love you unconditionally without reservation every day of our lives. I love you, me.
I remember